And in the heart of this enchanted forest lived Sparkle the dragon. Sparkle was no ordinary dragon. He had scales that glittered like diamonds and a heart full of kindness. One day, Sparkle discovered a mysterious map that hinted at a hidden treasure deep within the forest. Intrigued, Sparkle decided to embark on an adventurous journey to find the treasure. As Sparkle journeyed through the magical forest, he encountered talking animals, playful fairies, and mischievous elves. Each one had a clue that brought Sparkle closer to the secret treasure. But the path was not easy. Sparkle faced challenges like tricky riddles and magical obstacles. Along the way, he made friends who helped him overcome each hurdle. After overcoming all challenges, Sparkle finally reached the hidden clearing where the treasure waited. And what he found was not just gold and jewels, but the true magic of friendship and kindness. And so, Sparkle returned to the enchanted forest, sharing his treasure and the lessons he learned. The creatures of the forest celebrated with a grand feast, grateful for the enchanting adventures of Sparkle the